I'm going to be showing you how to use GoalSeek in Excel's what if analysis. And to do that, I'm going to use this scenario I have set up here. Let me just go back to the original. So I've set up a scenario in which we have 3 workers. We have the hours they work, the hourly rate that they earn, and their current income at the hours and hourly rate. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come up with a scenario. Think of something that you want to have Excel figure out for you without having to fundamentally change your workbook and the formulas that are in it, manually, that is. So hypothetically, let's say I'm the banker and I want to know how many hours I will have to work in order to earn $2,000. So I currently earn $35 an hour at 40 hours, and that gives me $1,400. So I want to know how many hours I would have to work at $35 an hour in order to earn $2,000. So we can figure this out very quickly using GoalSeek up here. Click GoalSeek. You get this window that comes up, and it says set cell. So like I said, we're going to set cell D2, our income cell, to 2,000. And we're going to do this by changing our hours over here at B2. So after we have everything plugged in, we're just going to click OK. And you can see that Excel automatically tells me that in order to earn $2,000, I have to work a little bit over 57 hours at $35 per hour. And so the other thing I would point out at this point is if you're happy with your change in your data set and you want to keep it permanently, click OK. And if you want to revert back to the original cell values, then click cancel. So in this case, I will just click OK and keep that. Let's do another example. Let's say I'm the store manager and I currently work 38 hours and I earn an hourly rate of $45, and my income right now is $1,710. And so in this scenario, I want to know how much my hourly rate would have to go up without changing my hours in order to earn $3,000. So do the same thing, click GoalSeek, and so we're going to set cell D3 this time to $3,000. And we're going to do this by changing not our hours, because I'm still going to work 38 hours, but I just want to figure out how much my hourly rate would have to go up in order to earn $3,000. So we're going to do this by changing cell C3, click OK, and you can see that in order for me to work 38 hours and earn $3,000, my hourly rate would have to go up to almost $79 per hour. And so like I said, if I wanted to keep this, I would click OK, but this time I'm going to click cancel and go back to my original data. And so that is pretty much how you use GoalSeek. I will skip the chef in this video. I think that was sufficient, so hopefully that was helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for listening.